Spicy mayonnaise, a large egg yolk, English or Dijon mustard. Season with black pepper and salt. Break the egg yolk and give it a mix. Start adding oil slowly while you mix it. Make sure everything is at room temperature. As you can see, the mayonnaise is coming along. Lemon juice for some freshness. Extract of your favorite chili. Give it a mix. Spicy mayonnaise. Done. Have a little taste. Mexican style steak tacos with homemade spicy mayonnaise. Make it for your dad. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care. Enjoy my videos. Homemade spicy mayonnaise.